All right, the first thing I want to do is take my cast iron skillet here, and I'm just going to put it inside the grill and let it start heating up while we prepare our cornbread mix with the meat. Now, I just got this package, sweet yellow southern style cornbread. You can buy them at the store for 88 cents a pack, and I'm just gonna, it makes my life simpler. You can make yours homemade if you want to, however you normally would do cornbread. What I'm gonna do is just crack an egg open here. Drop that egg in there. Let's a half a cup of milk. Now I'm just gonna take my whisk here and get this egg all beat up and just start mixing this together real nice until it's no longer clumpy. All right, our next ingredient is I have some smoked pulled pork here that I smoked up not all that long ago, and this is just another way to utilize your pulled pork is get it in here and let's make some stuffed cornbread. Let's get all this broke apart. Now I will say your pulled pork, you're going to want to heat that up before adding it in here. Alright, I just pulled my cast iron off the grill. She is preheated and ready to add our mix. We're just gonna grab our mix here and we're gonna pour over into our skillet. Make sure you get all of that cornbread mix up out of there. We're just gonna take our whisk here and just kind of shift this meat around so it's all throughout this cornbread, because remember, when we put it on the pit and start smoking this, the way it sits right now is exactly how it will cook. Do not forget to wear gloves when dealing with this hot cast iron, because it will light you up. She is very hot. We're going to open our pit. Now on to the pit we're going to go with our stuffed cornbread here, and I'm just going to move her way over here as far away from that heat as possible. And this should take somewhere around 20 to 30 minutes. Just give it a good 15 minutes and open up your pit and start looking at your cornbread. You can usually tell when cornbread is about done. It's going to take on that nice golden brown color. We are between 350 and 400 degrees, which is exactly what I want for this stuffed cornbread. Now I also want to add that as this is cooking, you might want to lift it and just spin your pan around so that cornbread heats up evenly. Since you got your heat on one side of the pit and the pan on the other side, you're going to want to turn it. That way it will heat up evenly. Just a reminder, if y'all probably already knew that, but I wanted to put that in there. As y'all can see, we're running at 392. I'm gonna just take a peek at this baby real quick. Oh yeah, looking really good, really good. We're staying just under 400, perfect. You want to stay between 350 and 400. You definitely don't want to go over 400 degrees on this thing, that's for sure. We will come back in a little bit when we check it again. Alrighty, our cornbread is done. Man, look at that, that is beautiful. We are going to give this stuff a taste test right here, right now. My Lord, ooh yeah, I can smell it from here, baby. This is going to be good. It's going to be hot. Look at that. Chunks of meat. Yes, sir. Mmm. Mmm. That is fantastic. What I forgot to mention is this pulled pork has barbecue sauce in it when I did it. Blues Hog Smoky Mountain sauce. Hence where we get the Smoky Mountain stuffed cornbread from. Good, sweet Southern style cornbread. That pulled pork's got the smokiness flavor inside of it. The cornbread has got a little bit, a hint of it. Together, it's not overpowering. And then you get to taste that Smoky Mountain sauce in there. That is fantastic. Y'all need to give that a try. I guarantee you, that will be a winner in your household. Until next week, I'm Derek Jones, and this is the Down South series on Smoky Ribs.